Hi all, this is Balu from the Mattress Expert India. Today we are coming with a new video for the DURFI Hempseed Oil Infused Memoryfoam Mattress unboxing. This mattress normally delivers in compressed and roll pack. You can see the whole unit delivered to me in the compressed and roll pack. So you can see some information related to the how it will be unpack and take the shape. So step one, you need to take the product out from the box. Then step two, you can remove the polythene cover, then keep it like 24 to 48 hours and it will come back to the original shape. So you can find some other information, DURFI made for Indian back and all. So this is the whole unit in fact, and you can see some other information here. So we bought two single mattresses. You can see size detail 7836 6 inches, 7836 8 inches, and DURFI logo with ultra fresh information here. So in this video we are going to be do only unboxing. So once the mattress is ready, then we can do the separate video for the product related information. Yeah, so you can see the mattress is like a compressed and roll pack, so you can find the unit delivered in this form. So we are quickly unwrapping the polythene cover, and we'll show how long it will take to return the come back to the original shape. The mattress is taking the air in, sucking in air in, so it will take quickly 15-20 minutes or hardly 1 hour to come back to the normal shape. So you can hear the sound of air sucking in. So finally unboxing is completed. You can see the mattress, it's almost taken the original shape, and the finishing wise, quality wise, it's looks really great in the sense of quality and build quality. And you can see two different colors on the outer cover, gray and blue, and you can find DURFI branding here. And this mattress is infused with the hemp seed oil. Because of that they have mentioned as a hemp, so it's a good sign. And I can say DURFI is the first company launched hemp seed oil infused mattress in India. And in this video only unboxing I am covering. There will be one more video I can do for the complete information about the product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on like and share. Signing off. Thank you.